Hi there guys, welcome to another YouTube video by Ross Perry Productions. Really quick video for you today, and it might not be that helpful, but I thought it might be worth making anyway. And it's just showing you where the two Lambda or oxygen sensors are in the engine bay. Let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do is actually open up the bonnet, which if you don't know how to do, I'll just show you now. Open up the driver's door fully. Just down in the driver's footwell, there's this lever. Give that a pull. Come around to the front of the vehicle. Just in the middle of the bonnet, just by the Suzuki badge, there is a lever. Push that to the left. Open up your bonnet fully, and we're going to put this bonnet stay in that hole down there. Now your bonnet is safe and secure. A great feature about the Suzuki Swift is there's loads of spare room here in the engine bay, which makes any job really easy. So I unfortunately don't have the correct tools to replace the Lambda or oxygen sensors, but I'll be able to show you exactly where they are. So this green cable goes to one here. So that's just on the manifold side of the catalytic converter. Just nice and easy connection there, and you'll need your tool to actually get that off, which I don't have with me. And the second one, just follow this other green cable down from this connection, and that is the Lambda sensor or oxygen sensor just on the other side of the cat down there. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please go ahead, give me the thumbs up, leave me a comment down below and subscribe to my channel.